Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, you're here for the tour. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that was today. I'm so sorry. Wait, come back. It's fine. I can still show you around the studio. We've actually been wanting to do this for a while. I actually think it'll be a lot of fun. Would you just give me 1 second? 1 sec. Alright, so you ready? Great, let's begin. So, one of the biggest questions I always get asked is, Jacob, are you aware your shoes are untied? To which I respond, no, I wasn't. Thank you for informing me. But another big question is, Jacob, how do you make the videos? And there's actually a lot that goes into it. Believe it or not, we have over 50 staff members on hand. That includes writers, directors, cameramen, office people, and so many more. We also have 4 indoor studio sets, an outdoor filming room, a writer's room, my office right here, and several other business offices all around the studio. In fact, when you came in, you probably came in through our newly constructed Welcome Center. So to make a video, all these people and workers must come together into becoming what we call a studio. And today, I want to show you some of the process of how we make a video. From it starting as an initial thought in someone's head, to it being the finished product we upload and you get to see. And I know the perfect place to start. Let's go. So how do we make our videos? All our videos start as a thought in someone's head. So the first step is to take those thoughts and make them into a script. And we do that in this room right here. So let's go. So this is the writer's room. So you'll probably notice right away that it resembles a bedroom. And that is actually intentional. Everything in this room is meant to fuel a writer's creative process. Let's take the bed for example. This bed helps writers, let's say they get tired and have creative writer's block. They can take a nap for a couple of hours and then hop right back and be right next to their trusty computer. So why don't we take a look over here? We have the lamp, so they can work all hours of the night. We have the computer, so they can write the scripts. But let's look again. All these knickknacks that help fuel the writer's process. They see a frog, and they may think of writing a play or a video about a frog. Or they see a monkey, and they decide to do that. Or a Bluetooth speaker, and they think, oh, let's do something with speakers and music. If you look ahead, even higher, and on that shelf too, you'll see a bunch of trophies and accolades. Now, what this does is it helps us remember that we have to reach for success, and that if we ever want to succeed, we just have to, it's always going to be above, and we have to keep climbing this sort of metaphorical mountain, so to speak. But this right here is where the magic happens. So right here is where the writers take their initial thoughts, and they bring it in with a group of writers. Some sit on the bed, some sit on the dog couch. And what they do is they bring it all together and they write what's called a script. So let's take a look at this script, for example. So this is the script for the video we're filming right now. And as you can see, we're on scene right there. About right there. So once they get this kind of, once they start working on it, it takes a couple of hours, and then they're ready to print it off. So what they do is they take this idea and they send it to the printing room. So let's head there next. So here is our printing room. After a writer finishes a script, they'll send it to this room to see if it gets printed off. Let's see if we have a script for us. All right, let's see. I think we have something printing. Come on. There it is. Look, look. Alright, so there's the script. So what happens now is the people in this printing room take this script, staple it together, put it in this folder, and then write on it the name of their script or their video idea. So for this one, we're going to write Studio Tour Part 1. And then what they're going to do is they're going to give this to an intern. And the intern is going to take this script and put it on my desk. Alright, how you doing? So that's how a script goes from being an initial thought in someone's head to being a physical copy on my desk waiting for my approval. Unfortunately, this one is not very good. But if the script is good, I'll sign off on it and it'll become an actual video. Now, I gotta go. I got a meeting. Orlando Bloom's agent. But if you come back later, I'd be happy to show you the rest of the studio, including our sets where we actually film and make the videos. Alright, I'll see you later.